In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Ads dynamic search ads. Dynamic search ads, or DSAs, use Google's understanding of your website to match relevant searches, automatically generating headlines and landing pages while you provide the descriptions. They're great for capturing long tail queries and keeping your coverage up to date as your site changes. Begin by signing in to your Google Ads account. From the overview screen, click the plus button to start something new, then choose campaign. You'll be asked for a goal. Select either sales or leads, depending on what you want to optimize for. This helps Google pre-select useful settings and recommendations. Click Continue to move on. Choose search as your campaign type. DSAs run on the search network and pair especially well with conversion-focused bidding once you have enough data. In the campaign settings, find the Dynamic Search Ads section. Enter your website domain and select the primary language of your site content. Make sure your site is crawlable and that important pages are accessible without logins or heavy scripts, since Google uses your pages to build the ads and determine relevance. Continue through the standard campaign setup. Set your daily budget and choose a bidding strategy that aligns with your goal. Pick your target locations and languages. For tighter control and clearer testing, deselect display network and search partners so your ads only appear on Google Search. Review any additional settings like ad schedule if you have known peak times. Next, set up your dynamic ad group. Go to ad groups and create a new one, then change the ad group type to dynamic. This tells Google to use dynamic targeting rather than keywords. Select your targeting source. You can use Google's index of your website, a page feed you upload, or both. The index option is quick and broad. A page feed gives you precise control by listing the exact URLs you want to target, and you can label them for organized campaigns. If you need flexibility now and control later, combining both works well. Define your dynamic ad targets. You can target all web pages, recommended categories that Google groups from your site, or create rules based on page content, URL strings, or page titles. Use this to focus on high-value sections and exclude anything not meant for ads, like support or blog archives. Finally, create the ads. Google will generate the headline and final URL dynamically while you write compelling description lines. Highlight benefits, reinforce relevance, and include a clear call to action. Use the display path fields to add helpful context. Preview how ads might appear, then save and launch when you're satisfied.